Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add local files to Spotify on iPhone. So let's get started. So, in order to do that, all you have to do is go to the File app first of all in your iPhone. Now, after you open the file, choose a music you want to share it to the local file. So now all you have to do is simply long press on the music file and tap on the move option available there, and now search for the Spotify folder. Type down the Spotify in the search address bar and Spotify folder will be shown up. Now simply tap on the Spotify folder and move it to the Spotify folder. So now after you have moved the file to the Spotify, now all you have to do is go back to the Spotify app, tap on the your name icon available in the top left corner, and after you tap on it, you'll see the settings and privacy option available there. Simply tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on the local files option available there and make sure to toggle it on. Now after you toggle it on, simply go back to the home screen of your iPhone and log back to the Spotify again. Now you're inside the Spotify, go to the your library option available there, tap on the local files and you can see the music available. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.